Here are 10 tips about smart home devices. Security first. Prioritize security by using strong, unique passwords for each device and regularly updating firmware. Network stability. Ensure a reliable Wi-Fi network for seamless connectivity and responsiveness of your smart devices. Device compatibility. Choose devices that work well together and are compatible with your chosen smart home platform, for example, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant. Privacy settings. Review and customize privacy settings to control what data your devices collect and share. Remote access. Opt for devices that offer remote access via apps, allowing you to control them from anywhere. Automation. Create routines and automations to streamline tasks, like turning off lights when you leave or adjusting thermostat settings. Energy efficiency. Use smart plugs, thermostats, and energy monitoring devices to optimize energy consumption and reduce bills. Regular updates. Keep devices updated with the latest software to access new features and security enhancements. Voice control. If desired, choose devices compatible with voice assistants for hands-free control and convenience. Backup plans. Have backup methods for manual control in case of network outages or device malfunctions. Remember to research thoroughly before buying, and start with a few devices to avoid overwhelming yourself with complexity.